How do I go about creating a map for the patient? So open or create map. Now I have to make sure that I select the correct processor here. I select the 802 processor, rest all the details remain the same, and I say create. Once I say create, I need to go here. I need to make sure that my NRT values are being punched in. I click on this, select NRT values, say I have some intraoperative values with me. I click on that and say okay. And now since I have to make a map like this, I would go again to change programming method, say NRT offset, I say okay. It will take the map like this, and I would have to go and shift the TNC values. Shift the TNC values depending on where I want the map to be. Somewhere close to that. Look at where your NRTs are and stay a little lower than that. And then you save it.